Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add checkboxes in Microsoft Excel. So as you can see I am in the Excel. So once you are in the Excel, let's say this is my all data and I want to check few of them and uncheck few of them. So what you can do is just yeah, like you will be on the home section. So from home section just go to the insert section, and once you click here, you will be seeing all these options like pivot table, table, forms, pictures, shapes, checkboxes, and at the end, you will be seeing an option called checkbox. So from here, make sure to select a box or select like sheet, like a column or row in which you want to paste the checkbox. Let's say this is the box that I want to paste checkbox. So select this one and just click on checkbox. And now, as you can see, checkbox has been added to this like box. If I click on it, as you can see, it has turned black, and if I uncheck, it is turned like unchecked. So if you want to copy it, simply press Ctrl C on your keyboard. You can just paste it anywhere else if you want to, in as many boxes as you want. But let's say you want to replicate in all of them. So from here, just select the box, and from this right below corner just drag it below, or you want to drag it whatever wherever, just you can drag it and it will be added into the complete section. Now as you can see, if you want to check this one, this one, this one, this one, and these boxes are checked and rest of them are unchecked. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can add checkboxes in Microsoft Excel. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.